Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present you what I think is the best eSIM provider when you're going to travel to Philippines, and I'm going to share with you also the whole process of activation. So first one that I definitely recommend to check out is Maya Mobile. Now Maya Mobile, in my opinion, is one of the best eSIM providers, and here are the reasons. So first, I always check the coverage with Maya Mobile is where I want to travel if there is actually coverage. So let's say I'm going to be in Manila, and you see the Philippines are well covered here. So actually check where you're going to be if there is going to be the coverage. So that's something that I would definitely check out first. The second thing is that I always check if my phone is eSIM compatible. So I click help here, eSIM compatible phones, and I try to find my phone here. And with the link down below in description for Maya Mobile, you're gonna have 10% discount automatically. So that's a nice bonus for you. So here I will just search, and then I'm going to write Philippines eSIM, and now I can choose between 5 days, 10 days, 15 days or 30 days of data. So let's say I'm going to be there for 15 days and I want to have 10 GB of data. Of course, you can have 3, 20, up to you. And I would click activate now. Now when you're going to click activate now, you're going to have automatically 10% discount from me has been applied. You're going to have starting date where you want to start with your data, and then you got it. And how the process works is that you're going to get a like QR code to your email that you have to activate. So you would scan the QR code that you would get to your email. Automatically the eSIM would start activating and getting into your phone, and then you can use the data. Super simple, super amazing, nothing difficult. And I made even like a full guide with the link down below in the description as a tutorial on how you can actually set it up by yourself. Now, this is the first way how we can do it. All these plans are only data only. You won't be able to make a calls with them or send SMS, only data. That's the first thing. The second thing is that you can use all data as a hotspot. The second way how you can get data is through Airalo. And I come here to Philippines, and look at this. Here I'm going to have 1 GB, 3 GB, 5 GB of data, 10 GB or 20 GB. And let's say I'll pass mobile right here. 10 GB of data, okay, costs me $21. And let's see here, Philippines, let's say 30 days, $21.60. So even the pricing is really similar. And for me, there isn't like really a winner or loser. There are literally just few cents here and there. But with the Airalo down below in the description, you're gonna have discount too, so you can use that. And the same process applies also with Airalo, that you're gonna get a QR code, and you can use it also with like app, and you can activate it. So if you can have any questions, guys, let me down below in the comments. We'll be happy to help you, but this is the way. So thank you and have a great day, and goodbye.